Hello everybody, Huddersfield Train Spotter 92 here, and I am now at Crewe on the West Coast Mainline, and as you can see behind me we have the Moustache Pendo, which I believe is 390 something, 041 something, 040, I can't remember. It's about to depart anyway on its way to Milton Keynes Central. In this video you are likely to see trains from London North Western, Virgin Trains Pendos and Super Voyagers, Northern, East Midlands trains, and I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, let's see what's going to arrive at depart here at Crewe. Okay, departing now is said Virgin Trains Pendolino with the moustache on it. I want to say it's 040 or 03 something, I can't remember. It is 008, okay, I was well off. But there's a very snazzy moustache on the front. So, goes on the non-stop service to Milton Keynes Central. I believe there's something cracking on at London Euston, which is why trains aren't terminating there at the minute, but don't hold me to it because I haven't really looked to find out, but I'm under the impression something's cracking off there. So anywho, let's see what's going to arrive and depart next. Okay, just pulled in. Down at the other end of the world is a Virgin Trains Pendolino service to Liverpool Lime Street. I'm glad I started recording after the announcement because the guide just went on and on and on and on and on. Also, due any second now, should be a Northern train service from... Here he is again. Short up. Dude.
Any customers arriving travelling to Runcorn, please proceed via platform 12 through the Blue Walkway for a 14:55 replacement coach service. Customers for Runcorn, please proceed via platform number 12 through the Blue Walkway for a 14:55 replacement coach service.
Right, can I carry on now, buddy? Thank you. Anyway, as I was saying, any second now, or any minute now, whichever one, there should be a Northern train service from, I swear to God if that's you again. No, okay. Okay, we're good. Yeah, it's a Northern train service from Liverpool Lime Street, which is new to me. I didn't realise they did that service, so that's interesting. Might explain where that 319, speak of the devil, is coming around the corner. Might explain where that 319 service came from when I was at Stockport in the other videos that I did. But here we go, 319. It is 319 379. But yeah, I thought I would come down this end of the world because it seems to have more going on rather than down the other end, so we'll see. I swear to God, if you do 500 announcements like the Liverpool Lime Street train, mate, I am going to shoot one of the speakers just to make a point. Anyway, by the looks of it, the Virgin Trains Pendo service to Liverpool Lime Street is about to depart, so I might as well keep rolling. There should be something interesting coming around into platform 12 soon from Chester, so I'm having to turn my back and make sure it's not pulling around. Alright, Mr. Pendo. Yep, brakes are released, here she comes. £390,115. Goes.
On one from the 1448 Northern service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Sandbach, Holmes Chapel, Goose Tree, Chelford, Alton Edge, Wilmslow, Hanford, Cheadle Stockport, Eton Chapel, Levenshulme and Manchester Piccadilly. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Right, let's see what is going to arrive and depart next. Okay, departing now is 319379 on its way to Manchester Piccadilly. Jesus, noisy train. Anyway, let's see what's... Okay, pulling around the bend now is a Virgin Trains Voyager service to Milton Keynes. Oh, I got a tone. Thank you very much.
Virgin Trains service from Holyhead. This train will terminate here.
Oh, it's terminating here apparently. Are you sure it's terminating here? I don't think it's terminating here. I call bullshit. Well, I did get a horn, so thank you very much, Mr. Driver. Is it terminating here? Honestly, could not. Oh. Can't see the board. Damn it. I'll see it in a second. Huh, yeah, apparently it is terminating here. Okay then. Awesome. So yeah, that's that. I didn't get the numbers, I didn't look. I'm sure somebody could tell you on the video itself. There is another terminating service from Birmingham New Street.
Platform number 11 is from Holyhead. This train is terminating the Crewe and is not for public use. Train arriving platform number 11 is from Holyhead. This train will terminate the Crewe and is not for public use.
Okay, so there was a 315.
Platform 11, this train will be terminating the Crewe. Stand clear, platform number 11. This train terminates the Crewe and is not for public use. Train just arrived at platform number 11.
Oh, fuck my life.
So Holyhead, this train terminates the Crewe. Customers just arriving, wishing to continue.
Anyway, a London North Western service has just arrived down the platform 7. It's terminating here. Ugh. Right. Anyway, let's see what's going to arrive next. Okay, pulling in now is Northern Trains Electric 319 service, terminating here at Manchester Piccadilly. I just said that. 319 385. Which begs the question, what happened to the 323s on this service? I get it that the 319s are longer trains and have more space available for the Manchester Piccadilly, Manchester Airport services and stuff, but I like the 323s, they were nice. So I wonder where they've disappeared to. If somebody could let me know down in the comments below. I swear to God, dude, if that was you again. It is.
11 terminates at Crewe. All change please. All change on platform 11. This train terminates at Crewe and is not for public use. Train arriving at platform number 7 is from Birmingham New Street. This train terminates at Crewe. All change in platform number 7. Customers arriving, wishing to travel to Winsford, Hartford, Actonbridge, Runcorn, Liverpool,
He's
South
doing
Parkway.
my nutting. He won't shut up.
Via platform number 12 through Blue Walkway, 3:15.
Anyway, let's see what's going to arrive and depart next. Okay, pulling in now is a Virgin Trains Pendolino service to Milton Keynes Central. Again, if somebody could tell me why they're terminating there, I would much appreciate it. But either way, okie dokie, what number do we have? 39154. Oh, you are a scruffy bugger. What one are you? You're the Doesn't matter. Anywho. Getting cold.
Service to Edinburgh. Toilet Warrington Bank Quay, Wigan North Western, Preston, Lancaster, Penrith for the North Lakes, Carlisle, Haymarket and Edinburgh.
That'll be the Pendolino that's pulling in down the distance. So I'll get those numbers when she... Okay, the next train to arrive is an Arriva Trains Wales service to Milford Haven.
This train to Milford Haven.
I wonder if he's been told off for going off on one yet. Anyway, this is 175101. And 39117 is just pulled in. Down in the distance is another Pendo service. No idea what platform it's going into. 319385 is on its way to Liverpool Lime Street. Calling it literally everywhere in between, including Manchester Airport and Manchester Piccadilly. So that's not going to get to Liverpool for, what, 2 hours? Easy. Maybe longer, actually. But anyway. Where is the other Pendo going? Doesn't matter. Anywho. Let's see what's going to arrive and depart. Okay, departing is 39154. On its way to Milton Keynes Central.
6 is the 1508 Arriva Trains Wales service to Milford Haven. Calling at Shrewsbury, Ludlow, Leominster, Hereford, Abergavenny, Cumbrae, Newport, Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Kyle, Port Talbot Parkway, Neath, Swansea, Gowerton, Llanelli, Pembrey and Berryport, Carmarthen, Whitland, Llandowen, Clarveston Road, Haverford West.
Oh, apparently 39117 is on its way out as well.
Of 3 coaches. Platform 6 from the 1508 Arriva Trains Wales service to Milford Haven.
Is it on its way? Looks like it. Yeah, she is. Her brakes have just
This
been
is a
released.
platform alteration. The 1522
She is on her way
Arriva
to
Trains
Edinburgh.
Wales service to Shrewsbury will now depart from platform 8.
Thank you, Pendo, for being so loud you drowned out the fucking tannoy announcer. I thank you very much. I appreciate it. But anyway, where is this other Pendolino going? Where is it going? I don't know where it's going, but either way, let's see what's going to arrive and depart next. Captain Annoying is still being annoying, but a Virgin Trains Pendolino service to Manchester Piccadilly is pulling in. So, yeah, we'll get her numbers in a second. Where is the stop for Pendos? I think it's there. So I don't think I'll be getting her numbers just yet, but in she comes anyway. No, I won't be getting her numbers until she departs. But it is the Britain is great, business is great livery. So I think that's 101, maybe 141. One of the two. Either way, we'll catch you as she departs. Okay, pulling in now is an Arriva Trains Wales service to Crewe, which is terminating here, in other words. And it is from Chester, apparently. Formed of a 150 unit of some kind, in the new darker green livery as well, I might add. Which I've got to admit I much prefer in comparison to the cream and bright green, so I'm not going to complain. Also, departing behind me is the Pendolino service to Manchester Piccadilly. So we have 152.50. In she comes. And the Pendo. Oh, 390.151. So close. I went 101.141 and I was close by 10. So yeah, 151. So close. Off she pops to Manchester Piccadilly. Ooh, that was a nice view. I'm not going to be here too much longer, I don't think. It's getting cold, I want to go home, I'm tired. So maybe a couple of more services and then I'll call it a day. Alright, let's see what's going to arrive to depart next. Okie dokie, 152.50 is about to depart for Chester and Chester only. Whilst behind me is a 390 Pendolino.
15:25.
So say it for me.
Service to Milton Keynes Central. Crewe at Stafford, Rugby, and Milton Keynes Central.
Here
This
she
train
goes.
is full of 11 coaches.
And in comes 390.126. JHGU. Okay, there's one U. F E D C B A. Okay. Huh. Anyway, she is on her way to Milton Keynes Central. Oh, that's a stunning shot. Love that.
The train at platform 5 is the 15:25 Virgin Trains service to Milton Keynes
Anyway, let's see what's going to arrive and depart next. Okay, departing now is 390.126 on his way to Milton Keynes Central. I'm having to walk down the platform because my train out of here is due to arrive but I'm not 100% sure whether I'm going to be able to catch the other Virgin Train service.
The next train to arrive at platform 5
That
will
service.
be the 15:29 Virgin Trains service to Milton Keynes Central.
So,
Milton Keynes Central
we'll see what
only.
happens.
This train is
I'm hoping
full of 11
that I can
coaches.
catch
You can
the other
find
Virgin Train
shop
service come in
coach C,
before I have to run and go
delicious
catch
hot
mine.
and cold
I've got a
refreshments.
feeling they're both going to come in at roughly
First-class
the same
coaches
time,
can be found at the
so
front of the train in zones
hit and
1
miss on
to
it,
4.
so we'll see
Standard
what
coaches
happens.
are at the
No,
rear
there's
of
my
the
train.
in zones 5
So,
to 10.
in other words, guys, thank you ever so much for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Leave some comments down below, especially with the question of why the Virgin Trains are stopping at Milton Keynes and not going any further. Anyway, thank you very much, and I'll see you all again very, very soon.